Just sign up with A2 Hosting and wondering how to use cPanel. Here's a quick beginner-friendly walkthrough to get you started. Once you log into your A2 Hosting account, head to your client area and then click on your hosting plan. You'll see a button that takes you straight to cPanel, your control panel for managing everything. At first glance, it might look overwhelming, but everything's neatly organized. Want to install WordPress? Just go to the WordPress Apps Installer section and click the WordPress icon. Follow the prompts, and your blog or site is live under in 5 minutes. To create an email address, go to the email account section, hit create, and choose your name, domain, and password. Now you can send and receive emails using your custom domain. Need to manage files? Use a file manager to upload, delete, or edit website files directly. No FTP needed. You also find sections for backups, domains, subdomains, databases, and more all in one place. The best part, A2 Hosting cPanel includes performance tools like PHP version selector, resource usage stats, and security settings you can tweak anytime. That's your A2 cPanel in a nutshell. If this helped, like the video, hit subscribe for more tutorials, and ask any questions in the comments.